Hi, I'm Pam Hayes from Hayes Sewing Machine Company, and today I'm going to show you how to hoop fabric and stabilizer and put it into a hoop. When you are working with your fabric as well as your stabilizer, you want to have them large enough that they fit into your hoop. One thing you can't cheat with, you cannot try to hoop with major portions of the stabilizer not in the hoop area. So you do need to make sure that it goes all the way around and is complete. For myself, I like to use a temporary spray adhesive to hold my stabilizer and my fabric together. And then I press them together and I just do a nice smoothing out. If you have major creases in it, this is where you either iron your material, or remember, you can pull it up and lay it back down again. Now, most hoops, if you haven't used them yet, they need to be loosened quite a bit. So you're going to take and loosen the screw. Your hoop has two parts. You have a portion that's how it's going to attach to the machine, and traditionally it'll have a screw or something to tighten with, and then it has an inner ring. This particular one, you'll notice it has a notch up at the top. It has two arrows and it has a notch. You'll notice that it has a corresponding two arrows and a notch on the inner hoop. I take my fabric and I put the inner hoop on top of my fabric, and you'll notice I'm pushing down with my thumbs and wrapping the fabric around. I'm just going to line this up, and I'm going to work my hands all the way around. I cheat a little bit. I slide the screw off the table. That way I can tighten it up. Now, I have pretty good hand strength, so for me, simply tightening it by hand is sufficient. If you do not, you'll notice most hoops have a place where you can use a screwdriver to get it tighter, and traditionally you have a screwdriver that comes with your accessories. Once you've done all of those steps, when you have your fabric and your stabilizer entirely in the hoop, you are now ready to put it to the machine.